So to start with, go on your knees, hands just under the shoulder. Your palms should be just under the shoulder. Straighten your toes, okay? Go down, flatten on the floor, okay? Now your legs should be in cross, okay? Crossing the legs and then bringing your chest up completely, where your hands is in 90-degree position, just under the shoulder. Going down and coming up together. Now don't do this where your hips are up and your shoulders are dropping down. So this will put a lot of pressure on your lower back. So what you need to do is bring your hips down flat on the floor since you're a beginner, and then come up, okay? So 1, 2, okay? Now if you're not able to do this also, bring your legs down and come up on your knees, okay? So the purpose of this is keep your back straight. It should not have a slouch down or a curve up, okay? So this is knee push-up.